So when you're in a new area, you gotta watch what you touch, where you step, everything around you, because you may never know what's here. This place is very nice. I was told I gotta be careful with some snakes, mostly the coral snake. Yeah, so I'm keeping an eye open just in case. Steep.
And now it's time to check out this place. We got a lot of walking to do. We gotta go down, and then hopefully I can get a better shot. So this is my first time flying my mini drone in a place like this. Well, yeah. I already asked permission. I got the okay, but I'm gonna be super careful. I did practice before, so we should see what I could record. And also shout out to Zep. I know you. I know you said you wanted to hear my voice. I was about to put some music on here, but I'm like, no, I can't do that to him. So yeah, shout out to Steve Zepp. I know he's watching this video. Thanks for the love.
So in this place, you can actually rent it, like rent a cabin, like a little mini house here, and you can stay for as long as you want, and it's actually pretty affordable. They got some good pricing. You know, you got the bathrooms, your room, your own privacy. Not only that, but you could also do some zip lining. Heck yeah. And this is it for this video. It's time to wrap it up. I know it wasn't that interesting, but the next one definitely for sure.